Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. This is Mujahid Hussain. Hope you are doing well at your homes. Dear students, today we are going to learn about how to install and use Sublime text editor. So in last lecture we learned about Sublime text editor. So Sublime text is a shareware cross-platform source code editor with a Python application programming interface. It natively supports many programming languages and markup languages, and functions can be added by users with plugins. Sublime Text is available for Mac operating system, Windows operating system, and Linux operating system. If your PC is a Mac based operating system, Windows based operating system, or Linux based operating system, so you can download the Sublime text editor and then install and then start working on this one. So today we are going to start with Sublime. So just write down here Sublime text 3 and then for 3.22.3211 and click on the download, and the setup will be downloaded in your PC. Wait for a while as setup is being installed in your PC. So here will be my setup as we are going to install, so it will take time. After installing the setup, you have to go through in such step and write down the Sublime editor. Then here Sublime editor, what you have to do, just go through the files and you can create a new file, give any name to the file, and then save the location where you want. But the advantage of this Sublime editor is you can open in a folder. Like I'm going to desktop and creating a folder, so you can go any location in any drive like C, D, E, F, or any other drive if available in your PC. So then you can go through that drive and create a new folder. Like I am going to create a folder by name web development. So select this folder and open this folder in Sublime editor. As I have opened my folder Sublime web development and this web development folder. So on the screen you can see on the desktop I have created a folder by name web development, and this is an empty folder. So again go through the web development, like click here, double click here, then the file will be created. Just go through the file and click on new file, then your file will be added in this one. So how I can create this one, like I have added this one and then save any name. So what I have to do, just I have to go through the location where I have created a folder. There is nothing, so I am going to leave the name demo.html and then save. So now you can see web development. Inside the web development there is a file demo.html. so if I go through the folder, I will see there is a file demo. So there is nothing in this file. Then you can see on the screen there is nothing. Screen is totally empty, fully empty. So like I am going to create any other file, so just I will click here and I will give the name first.html, then save. Now you can see the second file, and if you go through the folder you can see two files are available in my web development folder. So this is up to here, that how can we create a folder inside the Sublime. So in next video, in upcoming video, we will write a code inside the Sublime and then we will start the coding for web development. So is there any query, then you can mail me, or you can contact me through WhatsApp number. I have provided my WhatsApp number on the screen. So stay home, stay safe, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.